You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Buongiorno, we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this legendary car by Italian manufacturer Ferrari. So in Italian, fully in Italian, it would be said as Ferrari F8 Tributo. Ferrari F8 Tributo. Now you can anglicize this a little bit and say Ferrari F8 Tributo. It's easy, and now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.